Hey guys, how you going? So I'm going to do a little unboxing video for you. Here we go. So, here we have the Switch. Okay, let's give it an unbox. Man, where's my knife? Nice pair of scissors. Move that back a bit. All right, let's put that on here. So there we go. Look at this. Nice. Yeah, not bad. And a nice reddish one. What else have we got in here? Ooh, look at this. It is Switch 2. Yeah, that is quite nice there. What else have we got in here? Yes. Mario Kart, Mario World code. I'm not going to show you guys, I'm covering it up so you don't redeem it. Important information. Yeah, whatever. HDMI cable. Certified Ultra. Some things I'll never use, I'm sure. These wrist straps. What else is in here? Okay. Nothing there. What is this? Oh, nice. Little grip. Let's try putting that on. Magnets. Just magnetically sucks it up. Look at that. Lovely. yeah, it's not look bad. Of course, we get a nice little power adapter here, USB-C, and a USB-C cable. USB-C to USB-C. Lovely. Oh yes, of course, the dock. Who can forget the dock? Dun, dun, dun. The dock. Boy, it's actually much lighter than I would have thought. It does have a nice fan system in here, apparently. Actually, I think this, yeah, this comes off, so you can plug in your HDMI and something else in there. Oh yes, the adapter and LAN. Beautiful. Oh yes, and there's the power light here. Oh, and there's a couple of USB-A sockets there too. So yeah, that's quite cool. But you're probably wondering, what about the actual switch? Move that over there. How does that look when it's all connected? Get off, ant. So I've never disconnected this. I think there's some buttons, yeah. Oh, is this it? Yes. Okay, so there's just some little release levers here to let the magnet go. So that works pretty well. So here we go. I'll do it this way so it's facing you. So it really does give a nice solid connection there. And yeah, that is quite big compared to the Switch Lite. It's pretty it's a much bigger screen, as you can see. So yeah, that is awesome. I'll just turn it on. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. So there's comparing the screens on. You can see it's much bigger. Yeah. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.